Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we'll be showing you guys how to make a strawberry banana smoothie. Thank you guys, thank you. Okay, you can stop now. So we'll be needing a bunch of strawberries. We'll also be needing 4 large bananas. We could use sugar according to your taste preferences. And milk. Any type of milk will work. Almond milk, coconut milk, thin milk, or thick milk. So we snatched off the leaves from the strawberries and stripped our bananas, and we put them into the blender. Next, you will be adding your milk into the blender. After that's all done, just put on your lid and blend away. The key to a best smoothie is to blend for 3 to 4 minutes, probably 5 depending on your blender. Just make sure it's thick and creamy, make it really thick, do not make it thin. If it's thin, it's not going to taste good and you guys will be sick. It's not going to taste good. Your bones will not be fixed. Look how beautiful this one looks. It's pink, it's frothy, it's creamy, it's thick. It's beautiful, it's also healthy. So I put in the strawberry by the side and also put in a straw. And don't put too much sugar because we don't want y'all to have diabetes. And this is the final presentation. Just look at that. It looks so beautiful, so elegant, and it's also a great source of nutrients. It's just so healthy and it tastes so good. So guys, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and smash that like button. And please comment down below what we should do next. We'll do it for you guys. It's easy for us. And please don't forget to share this video with family and friends. We would really appreciate that. And yeah, we won't let you guys down. Bye!